Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. So today we'll be learning about infographics. So what is infographics? What is the use of infographics? How to create infographics and what are the different tools available for creating infographics? So these are all things we are going to learn today. So let us start now. First of all, what is infographics? So an infographic or information graphic is a representation of information in a graphic format designed to make the data easily understandable at a glance. So people use infographics to quickly communicate a message, to simplify the presentation of large amount of data, to see data patterns and relationships, and to monitor changes in variables over time. Infographics include bar graphs, pie charts, histograms, line charts, T-diagrams, mind maps, Gantt chart, and networking diagrams. Now you'll see the uses of infographics. First is illustrating data. Present statistics, facts and figures visually using charts, graphs and other graphic tools. Second is simplifying a complex subject. Explain difficult concept with the help of illustrations and visual cues. Third is drawing a comparison. Visually compare two or more products, services, features, brands or concepts. Then fourth is creating awareness. Spread word about an important cause or create brand awareness and visibility. Fifth one is summarizing long content. Repurpose long videos, blog posts and reports into bit-sized infographics. So these are the various uses of infographics. Now next is how to make an infograph. First of all, outline your goals for creating your infographic. Second is collect data for your infographic. Third step is make data visualization for your infographic. Fourth is create your layout using an infographic template. Fifth is add style to your infographic design to make it stand out. Now this diagram shows, this template shows the various steps involved in creating infograph. Now we'll discuss about the different tools used for creating infograph. First of all, Canva, Venngage, Piktochart, Easily, Wiseme, Infogram, VisualizeMe, Snappa, Animaker, BeFunky, Bytable, Mind the Graph. So these are the various tools which are available for creating infograph. The most popular types of infographics are: first is your statistical infographics, second is informational infographics, timeline infographics, process infographics, geographic infographics, comparison infographics, hierarchical infographics, list infographics and resume infographics. So these are the various type of infographics. Now we are going to discuss about all these different type of infographics one by one. So first is your statistical infographics. So in statistical infographics, it makes use of typography, charts and graphs to present research, fact and figures in a visual way. This helps make data look more interesting and easier to understand as shown on the screen. The infographic template shows here displays data about the global and trends of social media platform in the form of colorful bar graph. Our next infographic is informational infographic. An informational infographic template is the best infographic for clearly communicating a new or specialized concept or to give an overview of a topic. An informational infographic is divided into sections with descriptive headers. Numbering each sections will help your infographic design flow. Next is timeline infographic. Timeline infographics are the best type of infographic for visualizing the history of something, to highlight important dates or to give an overview of events. Because human tends to make sense of time, especially a visual like timeline infographic can help to create a clearer picture of a time frame. Visual aids like line, icons, photos, and labels all are helpful to highlight and explain points in timeline. Now the picture on the right hand side shows the timeline infographic template. Now next is process infographics. Process infographics usually makes use of flowchart, diagrams, and even timelines to guide readers through a series of steps or to help simplify the decision making process. Here is an example of process infographic template. So this is the process infographic template and the title is product design process. So in the product design process, first step is brainstorming, second is your product definition, third is your research, fourth is sketches, fifth is prototype, sixth is testing, seventh is specifications, eighth is factory samples, ninth is production, and finally 10th step is quality assurance. So these are the various steps in product design process. Now next is geographic infographic. A geographic infographic is the best in location based data, demographic data, or large quantities of data. Geographic infographics use map charts as the focus visual. Different type of map charts work better for different type of data. For example, the geographical infographic template shown here shows the top 10 exporting companies of oil to the US in thousands barrels per day. And the geographic infographic template shows on the right hand side shows the 6 states and what they are best known for. First is your Washington, North Dakota, New York, Georgia, Texas, and Nevada. So this is about the geographic infographic templates. Our next type of infographic template is comparison infographic template. A lot of people have trouble picking between multiple options as shown in the figure. Whether you want to compare options in an unbiased way or you want to make one option seems better, a comparison infographic is the best infographic to do that. Comparison infographics are split down the middle vertically or horizontally with one option on each side as shown here. Hierarchical infograph. A hierarchical infograph can organize information from greatest to least. One famous example of this is the pyramid visualizing Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Humanity's most important needs at the base of the pyramid, ascending to humanity's least important needs in the smallest segment at the top. So here shows the Maslow's hierarchy of needs. First is your self-actualization, then esteem, then love and belonging, then safety and needs, psychological needs. So we are having another pyramid, the learning pyramid. 5% lecture mode, 10% reading, 20% audiovisual, 30% demonstration. So these are all the passive teaching methods. Now participatory teaching methods are 50% are group discussion, 75% practice by doing, 90% teaching others. So this is the another template of hierarchical infograph. Our next template is list infographic template. List infographic templates are generally straightforward. The goal is to make them more eye-catching than a basic list. Visuals like icons can replace numbers and creative fonts and colors can make each item stand out. For example, this list infographic template uses an S-shaped layout to keep your eyes moving back and forth across the page. The brightly colored icons contrast with the blue background, making the design exciting. So this is the S-shaped layout. See this. This is the S-shaped layout as shown in the template. Then last one is infographic resume. With the current job market being so saturated, job seeker needs to find creative way to set themselves apart. That is why infographic resumes have gained a lot of popularity in recent years. Infographic resumes won't be able to entirely replace a traditional resume in most cases, but they are great visuals document to bring to an interview. So now see this figure shows the infographic resume template. First of all, picture is given here on the left hand side, then the contact number and the address, then references are given, then on the right hand side name of the candidate, then work experiences in years are given, then educational qualifications are also given, then skills and expertise is also given on the right hand side below. So I hope you understand the meaning of infograph, how to create infograph, what is the use of infograph, and what are the different tools of infograph. Thanks for watching.